So
It's not a bad idea to emulate it, right? Have you ever seen the episode of The Office when Dwight basically emulates a fire and then just pure chaos ensues and everyone's trying to jump out windows and go through ceilings and so forth, right? I mean, if you did that from a cyber perspective, it's actually not a bad idea. By the way, I'm not endorsing setting your place on fire or emulating that, but going through exercises, doing that tabletop exercise and understanding which business units are involved and how they're responding, and go through an emulation exercise a few times and see, who's panicking or who's breaking processes, or if there's something that you have defined that actually doesn't make sense in terms of that response, right? Just understand it. It's not a bad exercise to just kind of go through it and see. Sometimes it's good to see how ugly it really is, right? And know that, like, we have people that panic a lot, and maybe we need to start fixing this now. And to your point, it's beyond the technology problem. It could be just overall process and lack of following through, right?